The future is now. 10 business ideas to make you rich in 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're doing something a little different. We're talking about the future, 2025 to be exact, and 10 business ideas that could have you swimming in cash. Whether you're an entrepreneur, an investor, or just someone who wants to get ahead of the curve, this video is for you. You don't want to miss this. Sustainable energy power up your wallet. All right, first up, we're talking about saving the planet and making bank. How? Sustainable energy. The world is going green, guys. Solar, wind, hydro, geothermal. Everyone wants clean energy and they're willing to pay for it. Setting up solar panel installations, wind farms, or even just consulting on sustainable energy solutions, that's where the money's at. This isn't just a fad, it's the future. AI takeover, but in a good way. Next up, we're talking artificial intelligence. AI is everywhere. It's in your phone, it's in your car, it's probably even picking out your music playlists. Now imagine harnessing that power for your own business. AI-powered customer service, automated marketing, even medical diagnoses. The possibilities are endless. There are tons of resources and platforms out there to help you get started. So get ready to ride the AI wave all the way to the bank. Health is wealth cashing in on wellness. The health and wellness tech industry is booming. Wearable health trackers, telemedicine platforms, personalized fitness apps. If it helps people feel better and live longer, it's going to be huge. Remember when working from home was a luxury? Now it's practically the norm. But here's the thing, remote work isn't just about laptops and Zoom calls anymore. People need better tools, better software, better ways to connect and collaborate. Developing virtual office spaces, project management tools specifically for remote teams, even ergonomic furniture designed for home offices, these are all million-dollar ideas just waiting to be snatched up. The remote work revolution is here, so get ready to lead the charge. Let's be honest, who even goes to the mall anymore? Online shopping is king, and it's only going to get bigger. But here's the secret sauce: niche marketplaces. Forget the Amazons of the world. Focus on a specific audience, a specific passion, a specific product. E-commerce isn't going anywhere, so find your corner of the internet and make it your own. One size fits all? Not anymore. We're in the age of personalization, and that's especially true for health and fitness. Develop an app that analyzes DNA to create personalized fitness regimes, or a meal planning service that caters to specific dietary needs and restrictions. The more personalized, the better. Cybersecurity, become a digital superhero. Data breaches, hackers, identity theft, it's enough to make you want to live off the grid. But that's also why cybersecurity is more important than ever. Businesses are desperate for protection, and they're willing to pay top dollar for it. Offer penetration testing services to identify vulnerabilities, develop secure payment gateways for online businesses, or even create educational content to help people protect themselves online. The digital world needs saving, and you can be the one to do it and make some serious cash along the way. Green building. Constructing the future, profitably. Sustainable building materials, eco-friendly designs, energy-efficient homes. This is the future of construction. Imagine building homes that generate their own power, using recycled materials that are actually stronger and longer lasting, or designing buildings that blend seamlessly with the natural environment. This isn't just good for the planet, it's good for business. The future is green, so build it that way. VR, it's not just for gamers anymore. Virtual reality is about to explode, and I'm not just talking about video games. Imagine attending virtual conferences, taking virtual tours of historical sites, or even undergoing medical training in a completely immersive VR environment. Develop educational VR experiences for schools, create virtual training simulations for businesses, or even design immersive entertainment experiences that transport people to other worlds. VR is the future of experience, and it's your chance to shape it. In the digital age, content is king. But here's the thing, everyone's so busy creating content that they forget about quality. That's where you come in. High-quality writing, engaging videos, stunning graphics. These are the things that make content stand out. Content is king, but you can be the emperor of your own digital empire. Outro, the future is calling. Answer it. And there you have it, folks. 10 business ideas that could make you a fortune in 2025. These aren't just pipe dreams, these are real opportunities for anyone willing to put in the work and make it happen. So what are you waiting for? Pick an idea, do your research, and start building your empire. The future is calling and it's time for you to answer. See you in the next video.